Hey friends, if you want to start trading from absolute zero, but you're still confused, how do I start? Where do I begin? Then this series is for you. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'll explain in simple language what the first steps are to start your trading journey. We're starting a full beginner-friendly series, day 1, day 2, day 3, up to day 10, so that you understand everything step by step. And one important thing, keep a notebook and pen with you. Write down notes in your own words, because if you don't take notes, learning trading can become really difficult. First, ask yourself, why do I want to trade? Is it just about making money fast? Or do you really want to understand how the market works and then make smart money? Because here's the truth, nothing in trading is quick. What you see on YouTube or social media, the luxury lifestyle, cars, profits, is just one side. Learning to trade takes time. Yes, you can make profits in your first month, but you won't become a pro trader in just 30 days. It's very possible that you make profits for 3 to 4 months and then lose it all in the fifth. That's why we need to understand everything from the ground level. So, step 1. If you are a complete beginner, you have no idea about trading, stock market, or any of these things, then the first step is understand where you are trading. Just like before entering a boxing match, you should know who your opponent is, how strong he is, what his height is, etc. Similarly, you need to know what markets are available, where can you trade. 4 main markets you can trade in: stock market, Indian shares like Reliance, Tata, etc. Forex market, trading foreign currencies. Crypto market, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Commodities market, gold, silver, crude oil, etc. Now, let's understand each market one by one. Trading timings of each market. Stock market, India, 9 a.m., 4 p.m., Monday to Friday. Forex market, runs 24 hours from Monday to Friday. Crypto market, open 24/7, yes, even on Sundays and late nights. Commodities market, 9 a.m., 11:30 p.m., Monday to Friday. How to decide which market suits you. Before talking about this, please like the video and subscribe for more informational video. Now let's continue. So the answer is, it depends on your availability. For example, if you are doing a full-time job, then doing intraday trading, where you buy and sell within the same day, may not be practical. So for working people, swing trading, holding trades for a few days, or investing works better. Now, let's dive deeper into the Indian stock market. There are 4 main segments within the stock market. 1. Equity segment, cash market. You buy company shares like Reliance, TCS, etc. If the price goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. Simple and long-term focused. 2. Intraday trading within equity. Buy and sell the same stock on the same day. You get leverage, for example 5x, which means you can buy more with less money, but you have to close the position before 3:15 p.m. Risk is higher, but so is the potential for fast gains and losses. 3. Futures trading. Similar to intraday, but here you can hold your trade for up to 1 month. You trade in larger quantities called lots, needs more capital, sometimes Rs 1 lakh or more. There's no daily closing pressure like intraday, less affected by time decay compared to options. 4. Options trading. You trade contracts based on shares or indices, like Nifty, Bank Nifty. More advanced, great potential, but also high risk. Works differently from buying shares. Here time decay plays a big role. What about Forex and crypto? Forex market. You trade currency pairs like USD INR, EUR USD. You can choose your own leverage, even up to 1000x depending on the platform. Not fully legal in India unless done via regulated exchanges. Crypto market, you can do spot, buy and hold, or futures with leverage up to 125x, runs 24/7 final words for today. I hope you got a basic understanding of what markets are available, what kind of trading fits your schedule, what the first step really looks like. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper step by step. For now, rewatch this video, take proper notes, and keep your focus on learning, not rushing. Your goal is not to become rich in 1 month. Your goal is to become smart and consistent in the long run.